Thinking about renovating your home? You're definitely not alone. But before you start writing checks, there are a few financial planning decisions you may want to consider. Hi, I'm Stephen Crawford with Clarity Wealth for this week's Friday Fireside Chat. With home prices up significantly over the last several years, and many homeowners still holding mortgages in the 3 to 4% range, more people are choosing to improve the house they already own rather than move. In fact, a recent survey found that nearly half of homeowners now say renovating is the most realistic financial option for their family. So if that's you, here are 3 things to think about. First, renovate with intention. Prioritize maintenance in the areas you use the most. And if this could be your home through retirement, think ahead. Things like a walk-in shower or zero-step entry may not seem important today, but they could help you comfortably stay in your home longer. Second, understand the return on your investment. Not every renovation adds dollar-for-dollar value to your house. Interestingly, some of the projects currently providing the highest return aren't massive additions. Garage doors, exterior doors and siding, and even minor kitchen remodels have recently ranked among the projects providing the strongest resale value. And third, don't forget about taxes. Certain capital improvements can be added to the cost basis of your home. That could become important when you eventually sell. Generally, when you sell your primary residence, you may exclude up to $250,000 of capital gains if you're single, or up to $500,000 if you're married filing jointly, assuming you meet the requirements. But if your gains exceed those 2 limits, properly documenting improvements you've made over the years can help reduce your taxable gain. So keep those renovation records and receipts. And there's another tax consideration that happens before you renovate, which is, where's the money coming from? Pulling $100,000 from an IRA is very different from using cash, selling investments in a brokerage account, or borrowing against your home. The project might cost $100,000, but the wrong funding strategy could make your true cost considerably higher once taxes are included. That's where our team can help you. Your home should support the life you want to live, and sometimes a renovation is an important part of making that happen. Our role is to help you understand how that decision fits in alongside everything else you're working towards and help you determine the most tax-efficient way to pay for it. So if a renovation is on the horizon, give us a call before you start moving money around. We'll help you think through the financial side so you can focus on creating the home that works best for you and your family. Have a good one.